take this opportunity to give condolence message to the family of Julius Njiri, the first Deputy Governor of the Kirinyaga County. Mimi nachukua nafasi kusema pole to the family, pole to Kirinyaga people. He is a man who fought for good leadership. He is a man who fought for servant leadership. He is a man we all know of what he talked. He defended on constitutional entitlement to the deputy governors. Pale tuko sasa, kuna huzuni. 10 years later, what Julius was fighting for, we still have some counties. Kuna shida. The constitutional entitlement to the deputy governors. There were issues to do with dignifying the deputy governors. There were issues to do with clear budget facilitation to the deputy governors. There were issues to do with clear responsibilities to the deputy governors. That is what Julius Njiri fought for 10 years down the line. Ombi langu to the third cycle of devolution, zile counties bado kuna shida. Wale governors bado not doing the right things to protect the constitution, to do what is right for the citizens. It is a high time we tell them, in any leadership, in any society, what the citizens want is just service delivery, servant leadership, and good leadership so that we can be able to serve our people. Maneno ya good governance without respect, without dignifying already established constitutional offices. Mimi nasema kama ni governor ako na space yake, kama ni deputy governor ako na space yake. The governor has his own clear vote time. Equally, the deputy governor should have his own clear vote time to be able to execute his mandate. That office should not, and no one should at any cost attempt to cripple that office. Saizi niko na furaha kuna ile Senate bill ambayo inakuja kubadilisha section 32 of the County Government Act 2012 ikuwe the new version the 2025 ambayo inaangazia on specific issues ambazo zinafaa kuwa. 1, clear budget facilitation, funding to the deputy governors. Ndio hiyo ofisi ikuwe able to facilitate its people with clear vote trends, which is the same thing the members of county assembly are talking about, autonomy. Reduce the deputy governors to be beggars to anyone. It is high time we do this right way. Wacha kazi ifanywe vile inafaa. Wacha deputy governors wapate heshima yao.